telling me I have to do this. So you guys told me to go on custom night, leave everybody on 0 difficulty, and just start the night. That's it. Like, literally just everybody on 0. So I think it's just us on this night. I don't think there will be literally anybody. So as you guys know, if you beat this night, you get an ending. So you guys told me that something happens, though, if you close everything like this. You literally close everything, and then you run out of power. And so I'm going to turn on my cam. I'm going to try to run out of power here. Oh, there's cam 13, by the way. Oh, my God, dude. Rat is in there. Which, by the way, there's another secret with him, apparently, from what you guys are telling me. So that should be fun. But now, literally, I don't think anyone's active at all, right? Because they're all on 0 difficulty. So you'd assume it's just us. Now, I don't know what this Easter egg's going to be, but I feel like, you know, maybe some kind of animatronic will come after us because, I mean, they're all inactive. So who's going to come after us? Like, if we run out of power, who's going to jump scare us?
Did you receive the memo? In case you didn't,
find out. All right, so we're at
just got
70%
the
power.
new
It's surprisingly
animatronics
hard
from
to
the
run out of power in
CEO
this
sent
game.
us yesterday.
You would think it would be way
These
easier
animatronics
because,
are
you know,
manufactured
you have
by
everything
one of
closed right
finest
now, but I
robotic
guess not.
companies.
Literally no one's moving, though. What on...
That
Oh,
is,
you guys told me there's a
speaking of,
Markiplier
look at
Easter egg
what
in
we
this game,
found lying
but
around
I
in the
don't
back.
know where it is. I don't know
Cameras.
how to access
They're
it.
pretty damn
You
old
guys told
though,
me that
so the
apparently
colors
they
that
can
you
show
see in
up
the
on the
camera
TV or
would
something,
be dull.
but this little
Also,
monitor,
these
but I don't know where that
animatronics aren't allowed
would
to
be.
be
Also, you
turned
guys told me
off.
if I click on both
The
of those,
engineer that we met
something
yesterday
happens,
said
but
that turning the robot off
nothing's happening, so I don't
would
know.
make the metal
Oh, wait, there's one over here,
rusting,
too.
causing them
Oh,
to
you can honk
collapse.
his nose, or her nose,
Yeah,
I guess,
you
or
have to
his.
keep track of them
Alright,
wherever they go.
we're at 39%, so we're about to
Because
run out
the
here.
door's
I'm
shut,
gonna
you
look
don't
around
come
for
through your
Easter egg. I don't see it
These
anywhere.
doors are
Coming down below
specialized
where
to
it is,
require a lot of
I
power.
do not
I
see a
think it's
Markiplier Easter egg.
because the door is
Oh,
powered
there was
by
something
some
saying
kind
apparently, I
of
think one of these
piston
arcade
system.
cabinets
And it
turns into
pushes
pop
us
goes,
down
like the
to
game.
keep the animatronics
So,
from
we could
filling
get
the
that. I
door.
don't know if that,
Not
we
to
just
worry
keep
though,
flipping back and
you
forth
can
and
recharge
eventually
it
show
by
up, but I
using the
doubt it.
charging panel.
Let's see, is
The
it
charging
anyone see
panel can be
Markiplier
found at the
anywhere?
right
'Cause I
side of the
literally
room.
don't.
Use
He's
this
probably
to
on like
take
a
the
wall or
power
something.
from our generator and
Or maybe
transfer
like you have
it
to click
to
on
the
something and
building
it'll
power,
activate him. I feel like
which
there's
is
gotta
used
be
by
something
our
more Easter eggs
doors
in this
and
game than what
cameras.
we've currently
The
found.
charging panel also allows you to seal the vents,
Nothing's like,
parting
okay.
one and parting
Oh, we
two.
got it!
In case one of the animatronics there decides to come through
okay.
the vents,
Well,
the
that's
rest
the
of the
perfect time to
animatronics
get the
may
Easter
use
egg
the
as soon as we
elevator
run out
to
of
go
power.
down.
Okay,
You
well,
control where the
that's
elevator is by the
Wow.
camera. To
Alright,
switch
now, who's gonna
over
jump
to
scare
Cam
us?
14,
What's gonna happen?
control
You
the
just
elevator there.
because you assume you'd eventually just
We
get to
also
the
received
ending
an
if no one jump scares you.
animatronic that
Literally,
came
what you guys
along
told me
with
is
the
just
other
sit
one.
in complete dark,
Now
and then
that
something happens.
animatronic
You didn't tell me what.
ignores the
You can hear-
doors. It can climb through walls and ceilings. Stop him from getting away. Go over camera 11.
Now I've really done it.
Click on a wire,
I thought to
and when it
myself
goes
as I
red,
sat in the darkness.
red color means the wire's being broken. Click on a wire fixes it remotely through the cameras. I think that's it.
No more power.
You should be safe.
Lights.
Click the cameras, click the light in front of you,
Don't worry.
and you should be okay. Alright, have a good night, and I will talk to you
I
tomorrow.
don't know if I trust that. Is something gonna pop out and jump scare us? A little bit worried about what all I can do now is wait it out. Think about what I've done. Wait, so do we literally just sit here in the dark until it's over? Or does something... Wait! So is this actually what happens? You just stay in the complete darkness. But with the animate... Oh no, because we turned off everybody. But Rat is still there on Camp 13. So you would think Rat would come and attack us now that it's unlocked, but I guess not. So is this actually what happens? You just sit here in the dark, which I don't know if the... Here. Oh, now I really thought it was just gonna keep saying, yeah, I've got to myself. Okay, so it's the same thing over and over again. So night ends. But you can hear like faint in the background, but I guess this is it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit here until the night ends, and we're gonna see if anything happens. So I will be right back. Oh, there we go, guys. So I sat here for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes I sat here, and we got the ending. So what now? Is that it? I'm assuming we're just, yep. We get the pink slip. Barry Schmidt, anything new? Employee 07, affected right now. Potentially damaging the facility. No, I think everything's the same. I'm really disappointed. You would have thought he would have had like, I'm really, really disappointed because you literally deactivated all of the animatronics and still got the end.